Guys, I'm back regarding the more stuff about OnePlus 6. You all know the OnePlus 6 will be launched earlier than expected and maybe the end of this month. And yesterday, first new renders have surfaced online and they just might what the final device looks like. And today, a new image showing the entire front design of the OnePlus 6 has appeared on Weibo. The image features a logo of DxO Mark, the popular camera benchmarking platform. As it can be seen in the image, the front design of the OnePlus 6 is mainly equipped by the screen, the side bezels are thin and its chin is slightly thick. The notch features the LED notification indicator, a selfie camera and an earpiece. The "See you soon" text present at the bottom is yet another hint that suggests that the OnePlus 6 arrival is close at launch. And also the latest short video that shows the OnePlus 6 in use. The video is just 2 seconds long, but we get to see the notch display in action. Some have said that this isn't the OnePlus 6 but the Oppo R15. However, it is hard to tell since both devices are sharing an identical front and the Oppo R15 could have the OnePlus launcher installed on it. But wouldn't the launcher coming with the OnePlus 6 have been modified to support a notch? The OnePlus 6 will launch it with a Snapdragon 845 processor, 6.28-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display, and dual rear cameras. It will also have a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, and be available in 6 GB of RAM and 8 GB of RAM variant with up to 256 GB of internal storage. And pricing details I was covered in that video, and the link is available in the description. So if you guys want to watch that video, then check out description for more information. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.